optimization of some key channel settings, you can quickly set yourself up and your new channel up for success, ready to maximize your views, your subscribers, and your traffic on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to step you through how to create a new YouTube channel along with all the key settings that you need to maximize your results. Now, I really want to make sure that you're paying attention here, because as we go through this, I'm going to be covering off the top tips that we've learned to really help you optimize your channel and your content so that YouTube wants to promote it. Now, I also want to let you know that what we've built out in the description below this video is essentially a resource or a toolkit for helping you set up your channel, including videos, including all of the resources, the gear, the software, the tools, the stuff that we use and that we recommend, but also direct links to tutorials that are going to help you dive deeper in some of the things that we are covering relatively fast in this video. Things like your branding and thumbnails and channel art. All of those, we have dedicated walkthrough tutorials on those specific elements if you do want to dive deeper on them. And they're all linked in the description below. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to youtube.com and click sign in the top right hand corner, and you're prompted to log in. So if you've already got a Google account or a Gmail email address, this is where you will log in with that if you want to associate that with your YouTube account. If you don't have one yet, then you can just click create account down here and create one. Now, before we go any further in this tutorial, there are two types of channels that you need to be aware of. The first is a personal channel, and that is linked to your personal Google or your personal Gmail account, and only you can access, or only people who are logging into that exact account with that username and password are able to manage that YouTube channel. The other thing to note with the personal channel is that the YouTube channel name is going to be restricted to your account name, which in most cases is going to be your own name. But the second option you have is to create your YouTube channel, instead of as a personal channel, as a brand channel. Now, this is going to give you access to things like a custom channel name, so it doesn't need to just be your personal name. And you can also assign other people or other Google accounts as channel managers on your channel. So you don't need to be giving out your personal Google account login details to anyone that you want to have help out with your channel. You can actually just grant them access with their login details to access your channel. So you'll need to select either a personal channel or a brand channel, but do note that you can switch from a personal channel to a brand channel at a later date if you'd like to change later, or if you've maybe already set up as a personal, you can convert it over to a brand channel later. But what I would recommend and what we use is a brand channel so that we can have multiple people managing the channel. So once you've signed into YouTube using your Google account, you can come up to the top right hand corner to your little profile picture, and if you don't have a channel yet, this is your first time logging in, you can click here to create a channel. Now, if you already have an existing channel, when you click on this, you'll be able to access your channel, but maybe you want to create a brand new brand channel. So that's where you'll have to come down here to settings, then go over to add or manage your channels. And here it will show all the channels that you already have access to. You can create a new channel just by hitting the plus button in the top left-hand corner. So going back over to our new channel setup, this is where it's asking us if we want to create a personal channel using our name, or if we want to use a custom name, which is creating a brand channel. So I'm going to select brand channel. Now, this is where you get to decide your YouTube channel name. Now, it could be that you're still opting to use your personal name, and if you're not going to go with your name, I would suggest to try to keep it on topic or somehow related to the content that you are going to be adding to your channel. But do note that it is possible to change your channel name after you have set it, so it's not so much of a big deal. Now, we have got a video specifically on this topic, selecting your channel name, talking you through a couple of different processes and a couple of different things that you can do to help you land on the perfect channel for you. So again, that's going to be in the resources below this video, and I'll also link it up in the cards now too. Let's call this super awesome channel. I understand I am creating a new Google account with its own settings. So if we go create, it'll go through and do its thing. And then we get presented with this. Nice work. Your channel, super awesome channel, has been created. It's giving us the next step here, which is to upload a profile picture. So we'll just go upload picture. I'm going to navigate through and find a picture. We'll put this one here in. Once you've got your profile picture in, you can come down and they're asking you now to tell your viewers about your channel. So this is your YouTube channel description. So what you want to add into this section here is a few sentences or a short, sharp paragraph, including who you are, what your channel is about, and what viewers can expect on your channel. What's the type of content that you're putting out. And then one pro tip here is that you can actually optimize this up to help your channel rank by adding in some keywords and some key phrases around the content that you're going to cover here. So it's important to add some of those keywords and key tags into the channel description here, also into the channel tags, which we're going to get to soon.